All right, so what's on the play for Jasmy? It looks like you're trying to use 17 cents as support, but the longer you're gonna test the support, the more likely you are to break it to the downside. For the longest time, I would say you're still in the uptrend unless you go below this last local low at 16 cents. So technically, you could fall all the way down to 16 cents and still be bullish. If you go below 16 cents, it's gonna be a lower low, and the uptrend I would say is invalidated. But a double bottom wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, although I'd rather just see a higher low. I actually am in a trade right now on Jasmy. If we go below 16.9, I'm going to get stopped out, and I'll just re-enter around 16 cents if that still looks bullish. But otherwise, that's kind of what I'm doing with Jasmy right now. I got in back here around 16.8, so I'd be getting out basically a break even. Yeah, but to what is on the play? I mean, I think you hold this trend line and go higher. So if that is the case, because from the all-time high, you're down 34 from 34 cents down to 17 cents. That's a 50% retracement in a bull market. I think it's time for it to start bouncing. So the on the daily chart where you want to get above, I guess it'd be on the 6-hour chart. So I'm not going to move that. This is the fibs from the daily chart. So on the daily chart, the 618 is at 22.8. That's the next major target you have to get above. On Jasmy, I would say to be bullish on the daily time frame. I guess it's at 22.5. And the 6-hour chart, the 618 would be around that same price. I'm not going to just move it a little bit. But 22.5 is really the next target for Jasmy to hit to the upside. But before that, you do have the 0.382, which you also need to get above, which I think will be some resistance as well at 19.3. And then the 0.5 fib I don't think will be too hard to get through, but the 0.5 is at basically 21 cents. So 19.3, 21 cents, and then 24.5. No, 22.5 is the next major resistance, and then the 0.76 is up here at 24.6, and then your local high up here at 27, basically 28 cents. And then obviously you'll be targeting the all-time highs, and then when we make a new get close to 28 cents, I'd probably redo the fibs, and I can give you readings of or accurate readings of where we'd be heading if we got back to close to all-time highs. But obviously I'm not going to do that until we get close to there. I don't think you go below 13 cents. I think the bottom was put in down here at 13 cents. So that's it. You're making higher lows and you're very bullish for now. But like I said, if you go below 16 cents, then obviously this uptrend is invalidated and you're going to go lower. But as long as you hold 16 cents, then those are the targets, the upside, and the target I really want to get above on the daily time frame would be 22.6. So watch out for 22.6, and also watch out for 16 cents. Those are the two targets you have to hold to the upside and downside. And I will see you guys in the next one.